damper, I hardly knew her.
So this is a damper. This is what controls airflow. So often you have rooms in your home that might be warm or too cold. A professional could adjust these to each one of these would go to a different room, and they can adjust these and lock them down to where you have a certain amount of airflow that's calculated at going into each room. This is used for commercial ductwork, but the idea is the same in residential. So the airflow comes through here and out here into your room. We can adjust the airflow by changing this, which builds up static pressure, and the static pressure will begin to push air further down the duct line where you might have a room that doesn't have much air, at the end of the house.